after same time. Right. Here, what we should do? Quadratic equation. X within brackets x plus 5 equals 0. Right? We have to solve this quadratic equation. This is the first question. What we should do? This is already factorized. That has been already factored. No need to expand. These are the two factors. X is the factor. The other factor is x plus 5. That means x equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. Then, there should be two solutions, two roots for a quadratic equation. X equals 0 or x equals, if you take positive 5 to the other side, it becomes negative 5. These are
negative 5.
Solutions. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Shall we move then to the second question?
Sure, sir.
Three-fourth x plus 1 equals 0. Here there are two factors. One is 3/4 x. It should be equal to 0 or x plus 1 should be equal to 0. That means x equals, you can do cross multiplication. 0 times 4, right? 3 comes here. So the denominator place, cross multiplication can be done. Or x, if you take positive 1 to the other side, 0 minus negative 1 is negative 1. 0 multiplied by any number, it is 0. Therefore, here you obtain x equals 0 or x equals negative 1.
Got
Right?
it, sir.
Let's move to the question C. X minus 4 brackets x plus 3 equals 0. They have already given as factors. Yes, given as factors. So x minus 4, either one of them should be equal to 0. X minus 4 equals 0 or
X plus 3 equals
3
0.
equals 0. Either this or this should be equal to 0. There are two factors, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0.
X equals plus 4.
By solving this simple equation, x equals plus 4 or, yes, Basura?
X equals minus 3.
Minus 3. Yes, very good, Basura. Now we are going to do the question B. Let's do the question D. I will erase the board because we are now recording this video. You can review. Yeah. You can refer that video upload once I have uploaded to the YouTube. If you want, you can write it down again. Right? By that, x squared minus 2x equals 0. What we should do? This is not factorized.
Factorized.
We have to factorize it.
Yeah.
Right? So how do you factorize? What is the common factor taken out? This is having only two factors. No, this expression do not have three terms. There are only two terms. So how do you factorize an algebraic expression with two terms? You can take common factor out. What is the common term? What can be taken out as common? Yes, x. Then x minus 2 equals 0. These are the two factors. Now x equals 0 or x minus 2 equals
minus 2 equals 0. X equals 0 or
or
x equals positive 2.
positive 2.
Right.
Right. Then we move to the E, question E. Oh, it is given like this. The right hand side is not equal to 0.
Then we have to make it 0.
Yes, we have to make it 0. X squared upon 2 equals 3x. Basura, what we should do?
Yeah. We are taking the 3x to the other side.
3x taken to the other side. X squared upon 2 negative 3x equals 0. Then
factorize.
yes. Yes, you can factorize. X can be taken out. X upon 2 minus 3 equals 0.
0.
Then
either x equals 0
yes, either x equals 0 or x upon 2 minus 3.
minus 3 equals
0. Then x equals 0 or x upon 2 equals 3. If you take minus 3 to the other side, it becomes positive 3. Then if you do cross multiplication, then x equals 6. Here, the other solution is x equals 0. These are the two solutions.
Right, sir.